Welcome to 1827 Nordane Drive, a wonderful 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom semi-detached home situated on a quiet court within the desirable Highbush neighbourhood of West Pickering. Located on a pie-shaped lot with a huge fenced-in backyard, this home also features a single-car garage with additional 2-car parking in the driveway. Through its covered front entrance is a ceramic-tiled foyer with a coat closet and a half-wall separating it from the living room. Laminate flooring flows between the living room and dining areas, which are open to each other, and an electric fireplace surrounded by an elegant mantle brings cozy warmth to the living space. Both rooms also have views of the back or side yards, and every window on this level is complete with California shutters. The wall pass-through between the dining room and kitchen is a great convenience while entertaining, and off the entrance into the kitchen is space for a cozy breakfast area or for a portable island. This bright, east-facing workspace has a walkout to the backyard and its patio area, and also features ceramic flooring and backsplashes, ample cabinetry storage, as well as stainless steel appliances and a double sink with a drain board. And just off the kitchen is a double closet, ideal as a pantry or for household storage. The staircase to the upper levels divides at its landing, with one set of stairs leading to the bedrooms, and the other set leading to the family room nestled above the garage. This bright, casual entertaining space has a high ceiling, west and south-facing windows with California shutters, and is finished with laminate flooring. The bedroom wing of the upper level also has laminate flooring throughout, with ceramic flooring and finishes in both washrooms. The second and third bedrooms are quite spacious, have double closets, and good-sized windows for natural lighting. And these 2 bedrooms also share use of a 4-piece main washroom featuring a vanity with countertop basin and a combined bath shower area. The master bedroom is gracious in its size, overlooks the backyard, and has his and her double closets, while its 4-piece ensuite washroom features a vanity with countertop basin, a corner soaker tub, and a corner glass shower with a rain shower head. Off the lower level staircases, mid-landing, is a powder room with pedestal sink. And the fully finished lower level features laminate flooring and pot lighting, has a storage area and a cold room, as well as a 2-piece washroom with a pedestal sink and tiled floor, and a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer. The recreation area is quite spacious, with wall sconces for ambient lighting, and adjacent to it is a bonus room suitable as a play or workout area. A wall cutout maintains an openness with the recreation space, yet this room also has potential for conversion into a 4th household bedroom. A short walk to West Creek Public School, public transit, and the Altona Forest, and also close to Rouge Urban National Park. This home is just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.